How long does it take to fully charge?
Yeah, like half an hour. People will get used to it because it's a little different. Like for a gasoline car, you'd want to fill it up. For an electric car, you actually want to charge to about 80% and then run it down all the way to 10% or less.
Do you want to do that on everyday use as well, or just with long trips?
No, just long trips. If you're trying to minimize the amount of time you stop when charging. So let's say you want to stop for 20, 30 minutes. For a battery, the charge state tapers off as you get above 80%. You can think of it like the car in a parking lot. So lithium ions are trying to find a parking space as they move across from one side of the battery to the other side. They're sort of just these ions are just bouncing around looking for a parking space. So when the parking lot's empty, they can zip right in there and find a spot. It's easy. As the parking lot gets full, just like trying to find a parking space at a mall, you have to hunt around for a spot. That's basically what's going on, is the ions are looking for a parking spot. So as the battery gets closer to full, it's harder and harder to find a spot. They have to bounce around more. Getting from 80 to 100 takes about as much time as getting from 0 to 80.